What's going on, YouTube? We are here at Winchester Regional Airport for Winchester Wings and Wheels. That's right, Wings and Wheels. So, we normally go to a lot of car shows, but this one has airplanes. And I love airplanes. Kids love airplanes. So let's go take a look around.
Oh yeah, sometimes I don't need it like souped up. I just really want it just original, like bone stock. Yeah. Classic.
Yours? Yeah. It's a beautiful car. Best of both worlds in this one.
Yeah.
They always say LS swap it. That's the best of both worlds for sure.
I think she's picking me up.
Oh, she's just gonna pick you up.
Yeah, she's doing my car. This is
Yeah. Excalibur. Now you don't see too many of these around. Not at all. I always thought it was cool how the exhaust comes out of there like that. It's definitely a unique touch. Dually on the front. That's a nice one.
Oh yeah, that's my bad.
Little cuz, you forgot to clean the bugs off. Look at all the bugs. Still looking good though, buddy. Now, this guy's set up for a little bit of fun. Absolutely. That is definitely one clean ride. Man, look at that red.
Let's keep walking, guys.
Well, that's a nice red, isn't it?
yeah, that's just what mine looked like inside.
Oh, yeah?
Yep.
8-track player?
I didn't have that. I didn't have that.
Yeah. Man. That is a good looking ride there.
You're not kidding. Outside.
Boy, look at that orange. Goodness. Alright, so this next car I'm going to film for JD Joyride TV, simply because I know how you are with your GT500 and how much you love that car. There's a couple of beauties sitting here, so I'm going to do a good walk around for you. Look at that. It's got the Whipple. Man. And a convertible. Oh yeah, got the autographs.
GT.
Now it said GT 800 on the tag, so I would imagine the 800 is probably saying something. Alright. And look at the white one. Man. Gotta love those wheels. They are nice in a convertible, aren't they? Definitely nice, but hey, the wheels, man, the wheels. I love those wheels. Okay, okay, it wouldn't be a show that I attend without a Honda, right? So, here we got a Type R. They are definitely nice.
Can you say hi?
Say hi to the vlog.
Hi! Are you kidding me? They break that. When did they break?
Now these old SVXs, now you don't see many of these on the road, and when you do, it's rare. And this one is cherry. Damn, that thing's clean, isn't it? It is.
Condition, dude.
Ooh, and it's got the leather interior.
I'm like clean as out.
That thing.
See them very often.
Well, that thing is clean, isn't it? A lot of time when you see them, they don't even have the stock wheels on them like that. Man, I'm impressed with that one. That thing is sharp, isn't it? No doubt. So you can't have a good car show without a DeLorean guy. What's up, man?
How you doing,
All right, how are you?
Pretty good, pretty good.
Christian, the guy with the DeLorean, and I forget the other guy. Paul. Yeah, Paul, that's right. Okay. Yeah, you can't have a good show without a couple DeLoreans.
No.
All right.
Which is her tweet. Where did that one? I have no idea.
Now, if you like this DeLorean here, this little man has a YouTube channel. This is Seth Dietrich.
Yep, go subscribe.
So, you guys want to see some cool videos with the DeLorean? And he does a lot of cool stuff. Seth Dietrich right here. I will plug his channel down below. So go subscribe to little man. He is a young YouTuber. So we're gonna help him. We're gonna help him get some more subscribers.
Working on 1,000.
Working on 1,000. See, the boy's got goals. He's setting goals already. You know what? I got the same goal too. So
Yeah, I have a
I'm getting close, but man, it takes a lot of work, doesn't it?
Oh, yes.
But it's a lot of fun, isn't it? And see, that's the most important part. It's fun, you know? So, all right, so you guys go check out his channel. I'll plug the info in, and we're gonna go over here and check out Paul's DeLorean as well. All right, so this is Paul, and he has a DeLorean as well. If you remember in, let's see, 2 other videos, Motorama 2018,
Yeah.
and the release of Ready Player One, Paul was there as well.
Yep.
So,
Yep.
you can never have enough filming of the DeLorean.
Oh no.
So.
It's funny you say that because from Motorama to now, this car has changed so much
Yeah?
since Motorama. Oh, just a lot of it. I dropped the car 2 inches since Motorama. That was a good show though.
Yeah, that was definitely a fun show. They laid it out a lot different this past year.
Did they?
Like, you remember how, like where you were setting,
Yeah.
they had a lot of vendors right there.
Oh, really?
All through that main hall this year for some reason. So there was only about half of the amount of cars in that main hall that there was when
really?
you were up there. Yeah. So I don't know if that was better or worse, but it was still a great show. I mean, there was a ton of turnout.
Right.
Once you guys check them out online, and they also have a Facebook page too, right? The group page. So you check out Tri-State DeLorean Club on Facebook as well. But how's that thing look? Marty McFly's video camcorder. I do not have that one. That one right there, I do not have. But I do have the black one. Of course, I have plenty of the silver ones. And that one over there is a little bit different. Oh wow, look at the picture. There's the sports almanac. Of course, the movie itself. And that is definitely a nice replica. We'll go around there and take a look at it.
Oh my gosh.
And we got the flux capacitor, and it is fluxing. It is ready to roll. All right, let's get a walk around here. All right. All right, I do have that red one as well. Oh wow, that's a pretty cool little touch right there. Pretty cool, huh?
Freaking awesome.
It is. When you drop a quarter in there. I do like that picture. That is pretty sweet, isn't it?
No, you never go like that. You never use.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. And the almighty, the hoverboard. Man, too bad that thing's not like real, like actual hoverboard. That's a pretty cool little replica of it there too. Oh! Oh yeah! There's the Pepsi. Oh, hold on, let me get up there. There we go. Powered by a flux capacitor. I'm telling you, DeLoreans in a car show. This is like the greatest thing. Like, I mean, this alone made my day right here. I love these DeLoreans. And a Lambo. That's some good looking seats. Wow. Oh, look at this cutie. Look at this cutie. What are you doing there, cutie? What are you doing? Look at that hair. You get here. Let me Dave fix your hair. Huh? How are you doing, baby? Huh? What are you doing there? Huh? Is the sun in your eyes? You're looking kind of grumpy. How are you looking grumpy? Where are you looking grumpy? Huh?
It's hot, Daddy.
So, here we got ourselves an ultralight. Uh-oh. Hey, what size is this engine?
It's 400cc, 440.
440? Really? Wow. Got plenty of power to fly around, huh? That's definitely cool. You fly it? Yeah, nice. But nothing like it, huh?
Not much, you know. Bare bones.
What's that?
Bare bones.
Oh yeah, but you get the feel of flying with that thing. Feels like you're floating around in a kite, probably, doesn't it? Yeah. That is pretty cool. Is this just canvas? What is this?
It's nylon.
Nylon? That is definitely cool. All right. That might be a cub or something. I'm not too sure. So Brandon, you look at these and you tell me. And you watch this video, you let me know what these planes are if you know what they are. Because I honestly, I'll be honest with you, I love planes to death. But I don't know what a lot of them are, so. But they're totally cool though. And, all right. So here, it's a pretty nice one as well. Now here's a beauty. Vans Aircraft RV8, a 2001 model. Oh my goodness, there is a Piper Cub. Okay, so if you're into any kind of RC airplanes, you know the Piper Cub is like the best plane ever. Like, whether it's electric or nitro or whatever, I mean, they fly so good. I mean, they almost fly themselves. Well, here's a real one. And this thing is sweet. Boy, I'd like to, too bad they got it roped off because I'd like to walk around this guy. Look at that, isn't that cool? Man, I would love to walk around this plane. Vans Aircraft RV6. It's a Taylor craft. A 1943 Taylor craft. Nice. Alright, look at this. I don't see any kind of ID board or anything like that on, so I'm not 100% sure what it is, but you know, these old twin engine planes are definitely sweet. Let's try to get a good close up on it. Look at this engine. Man. Well, it definitely gets enough air to stay cool, huh? Man, that thing is sweet. That's definitely an old-timey, isn't it? Like, this is the coolest show ever. And again, there's 2 DeLoreans here. Look how the doors are on that thing. Let's see.
Where's home?
Huh. Wow. That is a nice plane. See what it looks like in there. My goodness. Wow. I don't even know what this thing is, but man, is it cool. Look at that little engine. There goes the plane. Even got a wooden prop. It's a nice big plane there. Shoo, I bet it's hot in there. Man. There's a beauty. Boy, look at that Roadrunner. Wouldn't Dad love to see that? Look at this guy. Hey, where are you going? Are you having a good time in there? Yeah? All right. Meep, meep. Wow, look at there.
You walk in, I'll get your picture.
Boy, I tell you what, I don't think you can get in there.
No, I wouldn't want to get in there.
But for a hot air balloon, that's pretty cool. Well, there you have it, folks. Wings and wheels. Talk about some really nice cars and some really nice airplanes. It's always, I mean, that's how you make a car show even better. You put airplanes in it too. That's pretty awesome. So, of course, got to see my good buddies Paul and Christian with their DeLoreans, which is always a pleasure seeing those cars. And so we're gonna go find us something good to eat, and we'll see you guys at the next show.